So, you have an inferiority complex. Who doesn't? In a study at the University of Minnesota, psychologists found something surprising. The inferiority complex isn't something you either have or don't have. You have it, period. The confident person you can't stand, they have one too. Their superiority complex is just an inferiority complex in disguise. Here's the truth. You can't get rid of it entirely, not 100%. But you can reduce it so you can live with it comfortably. Think of it like math. Take your ideal self, what you'd like to be. Subtract who you think you are. The difference? That's your inferiority complex. The problem? Both numbers are often imaginary. You aim for an impossible 100%, then rate yourself at 5%. That's a recipe for a monster-sized IC. So how do you shrink it? 2 ways. Lower your impossible standards, or raise your opinion of yourself. Step 1. Stop trying to be everything at once. As William James said, no one can live 10 lives in one lifetime. Instead, channel your IC into growth. There are 3 powerful ways to do it. 1. Analyze your biggest weakness. Ask when you first believed you were lacking. Was it really true? Often we're haunted by childhood labels that should never have stuck. 2. Improve the quality you lack with the mirror technique. Stand tall in front of a mirror. Look deep into your eyes. Tell yourself you will improve, and name the exact trait. Do it daily for 3 months, and watch your reflection change. 3. Find a substitute quality in which to shine. Beethoven lost his hearing, and created some of history's greatest music. Byron, born with a clubfoot, became a literary giant. When channeled, your IC can push you far beyond average. This is the golden complex. Properly harnessed, it fuels determination, creativity, and greatness. But if your only aim is ego or money, it will never make you happy. True fulfillment comes when your success brings joy or value to others. So remember, drop impossible aims, choose realistic virtues, accept your uniqueness, love yourself, flaws included, improve where you can, and never deprecate yourself. Your inferiority complex doesn't have to be your weakness. It can be your greatest source of strength. Look in the mirror and start speaking to the person you're becoming.